Alright, after, now there's audio. I'm, it just took me a second, well, about a minute or two to get a couple of things in the audio straightened out. But it looks like it's working. And Ken says, we have audio, so that's a good sign. I got one more thing to attempt to do. Let's see if this works. I'm going to try to read chat a little bit more tonight. So, let's start out with the precipitation as usual. We've got rain showers across Virginia here. Nothing really of note in the Northeast, so I'm going to skip the Northeast for now. We'll look at the temperatures there later. In southern West Virginia, we've got some rain showers. Also, part of this storm here over Bluefield. And rain showers pretty much almost all across Virginia, just light rain. Even Williamsburg, Fredericksburg has some rain showers. Culpeper, Blacksburg. And we also have some rain showers in North Carolina, including part of this system here. Got a thunderstorm here. Copeland and Dobson. And the rest of these I don't see any thunder of these over here in the northern part near Durham, north of Raleigh, and kind of just over the southern portion of Raleigh here. Bunch of little scattered rain showers. We also have another thunderstorm near Fairview. Got a few active lightning strikes with that one. And down into South Carolina, this is some heavy rain and thunderstorms here, stretching from Rembert through Camden, Kershaw, Lancaster. It's affecting. We got some possible hail in this area near Baker Place. Yes, there's also possible hail with this storm too. See those black dots? That indicates possibility of hail. Doesn't mean it's actually happening, but it could be. The updrafts are enough. Pisgah, Red Hill. See active lightning strikes near there. Rain showers over Monticello, near Winsboro, Blackstock. It's in South Carolina. Georgia, got some thunderstorms near Enigma, Alapaha. Probably butchering these names. Ambrose, Osherfield, Sharon, Georgia, and Cogdell, McLeod's Mill. Had a rain shower there, and also looks like this is over the Appalachians, so there's some hills there, and there's no villages or towns. Alabama, rain shower north of Atlanta, We got thunderstorms here in Tennessee also. Go ahead and zoom in on that. Just north of Spring City, Hilltop Acres, and this one's near Allen's, Livingston, and these storms continue into southern Kentucky near Whitley City and Flat Rock. Oh, bam, I see a couple of actives. This is a thunderstorm near Walnut Hill, head towards Walnut Hill. And another couple active lightning strikes here near Brooklyn, Alabama. Rain showers in central Florida over Orlando, Cape Coral. Looks like Naples. This stretches up Lake Wales, Harmony, Titusville, Oak Hill, New Smyrna Beach, and even a little bit on Daytona Beach. Also have a light rain shower just north of Jacksonville and west of Nassauville. I keep an eye on these here. There's a couple active lightning strikes in this cell, Alberton, Holly Store. Also have some rain showers here. Note I've skipped over these. I didn't see these before. They may have just popped up on the radar. Russellville, Lynn, Edgehill, Alabama. Let's see. Not too much going on in Ohio, Indiana. We do have some rain showers in northern Michigan. Illinois, pretty dry there at the edge of this line of storms here. These storms are stretched from the northern part of Missouri through western Iowa and up into Wisconsin a little bit. Got a thunderstorm here. Actually, let's continue this line right up into Canada. There's also a rain band behind this thunderstorm here, going across northern Iowa into the southern part of South Dakota and northern Nebraska. And then it also is through southern Minnesota. I have a cat interrupting. Just give me a second. Pretty sure that went out over the air, him meowing at me. That was Dorito. Let's see, the UP is looking pretty dry. The rest of Minnesota is pretty dry right now. St. Paul's dry. North Dakota, nothing much going on. Like I said, here in the southern part of South Dakota, there's rain showers continuing across and into Nebraska a little bit, really light rain. Montana's looking pretty dry right now. Wyoming, not too much going on. Idaho, not much going on. Oregon, do have some light rain showers off the coast here. And California's looking pretty dry. Nevada's dry. Utah, not much going on. Colorado, I have some pretty intense active lightning here in the southwest part of Colorado, east of Waltz Corner, near Kim, Colorado, and let's see if I can find something a little more detailed than that. Villa Green. It's there's not really too much out there, but if you're near Kim, Colorado, there's a thunderstorm to the west of you, and scattered rain showers across the rest. Right here, Kansas. I've got a couple of lightning strikes up here in this row. Rain showers just to the east of Denver. Clifford and Old Wells, rain shower there. Wyoming, not too much, I already said that. New Mexico do have some thunderstorms. This line of thunderstorms starts pretty much right at the border in Arizona, southern tip of Arizona, and this part over here is in the very southern part of New Mexico, near Deer and Cloverdale, and here Manas. This goes up into Silver City, Hermosa, Truth or Consequences. This one's kind of out in the middle of nowhere. These caused that flash flooding. I'm sure if I looked at the warnings, you'd see flash flooding. Launch. Cedarville. Thunderstorms there. Leba. Springer. Albuquerque's got some rain. These are scattered across this, right behind these storms pretty much. Grants, Alamo Springs. Hi Jeff, hi Jamie, and who else has come in since I started? Tony, see Mark the Shark. Hi Lee. Go back down. Chat. Hi Mike. It's okay. You're not too late. I started 15 minutes ago. It's okay. I was pointing out these storms in New Mexico and Arizona. This one's right over Cazador, Arizona. Dragoon, Bradbury, Sunset, Klondike. Then we've got rain showers here to the north behind these storms. Also looks like there's a little rain shower near Apache Junction. This is a suburb of Phoenix here. Black Canyon City, Camp Verde. Joseph City. let's see, Dateland, got a rain shower there. California, didn't mention yet. Nevada, nothing really too much going on there. Kind of just ignored them. Arkansas, not much going on. Texas, do have a rain shower over northwestern part of suburbs of Houston, Cypress, and the Woodlands. And I don't know about the prediction for the strong winds. No, Jamie mentioned that earlier. Jefferson City do have rain showers here for Thursday. Thunderstorms predicted, but it doesn't look like a lot of rain is predicted. And there's nothing too much for tomorrow. You can look at other forecasts, but I don't really see any rain in the forecast for Wednesday. Maybe a little bit in the afternoon, but the prediction for the wind on this one is 17 miles an hour. This one says 22, 23, 21, maybe 27 miles an hour. This is really, you can't. This wind and wind gust is very hard to predict that. I mean, maybe put the pool away, or maybe just put water in it and it won't blow away. I don't know. But the storms that these could come from is they're off in the future here. We've got this in the north, but it is not heading towards Jefferson City. I already kind of like looked at this to see if your National Weather Service people know what they're talking about, and maybe they do, maybe they don't. Yeah, you're welcome, Jamie. We can look at the forecast for a couple of other cities too. Indianapolis. And looks like rain possible in the afternoon, but actually most of the day, Thursday and Friday, and a little bit into Saturday. Madison, Wisconsin. It looks like this rain is going to continue into about 1 or 2 p.m. tomorrow, and dry. St. Paul, looking pretty dry. Not too much going on until Friday. Brainerd, maybe something a little bit in the morning on Friday. Just a little tiny sprinkle predicted for there. Excuse me. Actually, tomorrow afternoon, it's gonna rain from, looks like 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. into Thursday, even Friday. Rain, rain, rain. It's not showing on the radar right now, but it's headed towards us. Phoenix, it's hot and dry. I can't imagine this. Arizona. Let's see, Albuquerque. Yeah, light rain, just scattered light rain and quite warm temperatures in the near hundreds. Las Vegas, hot and dry across the board. Maybe some little bit of possibility of a lightning strike on Thursday, and Sunday it looks like possibility of some that so-called dry lightning, maybe. So we'll keep an eye on that. That's so far in the distance, it's hard to tell. Oh, yeah, we gotta get, let's see, Dover, rain Wednesday, rain Thursday, little bit of rain Friday maybe, and rain Saturday. Let's see this down here. It says rain in inches, and then you look at the weather icon. Let's look at Boston's forecast. Pretty good indication of what's going to happen in New England, and if it happens in Boston. Rain on Thursday afternoon, Friday. A little bit of scattered rain showers maybe Saturday, and Sunday a little bit too. Am I missing anybody? Does somebody live in like Seattle that watches the stream and I don't know? If I have not mentioned your city, please put it in chat. I'll look it up. Denton, Maryland. Said it's near Dover, so it should be pretty easy to find. Maybe. Oh, I see Kenton. Or yes, I'll look at Traverse City. Well, it doesn't have a Denton, Delaware. Does your town does not exist? Look. See? You got Denton, Maryland. Where is it? You said it's near Dover. That's not near Dover. Dover's over here. You're down here. That's not near. Near would be like here or here. You live like you live like 50 miles away. 60. Okay. Alright, anyway, let's see. Rain showers. Rain, 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 rain. In the moment. I live near Annapolis. See? I'm pretty near. Cancun? You live in Cancun? Okay. It looks like it's gonna rain. It looks like thunderstorms there actually right now. Mm-hmm. You gotta look at the UK and a couple of other places too. It's raining there too. Let's see, Bradford. It's gonna rain. Actually, it's going to rain in England. Imagine that. Wow. It's light rain showers. Click off of this, it'll tell us exactly how much you're getting. Are going to get. It's like a little sprinkle. Up here, a little bit heavier rain. Data not available. What? Just west of Durham. Looks like the Northern Islands are getting some rain too. Here. And the north part of Ireland, not Northern Ireland, northern north part of Ireland got some rain showers too, and scattered across the rest, little light rain showers. And also, Swansea, Holsworthy. Oh, I'm gonna butcher this. Ready? Launceston. Not gonna even try to pronounce that. Wallingford. Is it Reading or Reading? In Pennsylvania, it is Reading. We got some thunderstorms in Germany too. Luckenwald, Stendal. Hamburg, Frankfurt, Mannheim. Got rain showers there. Wow, look at Denmark. They got rain showers. Heavy rain. Right up into Sweden and the southern part of Norway. Reading. Red. Yeah, Reading. So I was saying it right. Reykjavik. Nothing. No rain. Gotta look at Canada. Some showers in Newfoundland. I know I'm going over time. I don't really care. That's okay. Quebec, Ontario, Manitoba. Nothing too much. Saskatchewan. You have some thunderstorms near Meadow Lake. Alberta. Thunderstorms just to the north of Edmonton. These stretch up into Fort McMurray. And this little line of rain showers behind it. Look, it almost looks like a radar artifact. I don't know. It could be rain showers. That's awful suspicious that it almost fits the curve of the radar, extent of the radar, though. So I don't know. We also have some rain showers over Bethel and Anchorage, too. Nome, Alaska. Hawaii. Nothing too much on the Big Island. Honolulu either. Maybe a light rain shower. And right in the central Oahu there. Little tiny light rain shower. Japan's actually looking pretty dry. Philippines, you got our daily showers. Go ahead and switch over to the temperature. And get some relief from the heat here in the plains and across this into the Midwest. It's actually cooler there than it's been for a while at night in the 60s. Let's see here. Augusta, Maine, 68. Boston is 71. New York City, 70. Albany, 70. Harrisburg, 71. And Washington, D.C., 79. Richmond is 73. Raleigh, North Carolina, 73. Columbia is 75. Atlanta, Georgia, 75. Macon, 75. Tallahassee, 77. Jacksonville, 80. Orlando, 79. Cape Coral, 79. Miami is 84. Merritt Island's 80. Let's see. Pensacola, 82. Montgomery, Alabama, 79. Nashville, Tennessee is 77. Memphis is 77. Knoxville is 75. Charleston, West Virginia, 75. Columbus, Ohio, 75. Indianapolis, 71. Lansing, Michigan, 73. Detroit, 68. Cleveland, 73. Buffalo, New York, 70. Toronto is 70 degrees. Chicago, 77. Springfield, Illinois, 75. Jefferson City, 77. St. Joseph is 77. Springfield is 80. Traverse City is 73 right now. St. Paul, Minnesota, 68. Brainerd, 61. International Falls, 59. North Dakota, Williston, 62. Bismarck, 62. Grand Forks, 59. South Dakota, Pierre is 64. Rapid City is 64. Aberdeen is 64. Nebraska, Scotts Bluff is 64. O'Neill is 62. Lincoln, 66. McCook, 64. Kansas, Garden City, 75. Hayes, 71. Salina, 75. Topeka, 80. Wichita, 89. Oklahoma City is 95. Dallas, 93. Houston, 84. San Antonio, 84. I know I'm zipping through these. Gotta go fast if I want to get all these temps. Fort Stockton, 86. Lubbock, 88. Amarillo, 88. Albuquerque, 89. Farmington, 89. Roswell, 93. Carlsbad, 93. Las Cruces, 89. Phoenix, 100 degrees. Tucson, 89. Safford's, 88. Flagstaff, 68. Peach Springs, 88. Let's see. Hit Colorado yet? No, I did not. Denver, 70. Pueblo, 73. Alamosa, 71. Durango, 73. Grand Junction's, 88. Steamboat Springs, 66. Wyoming, Cheyenne's, 59. Casper, 66. Lake Village, there in Yellowstone's, 53. Gillette, 64. Montana, Helena's, 66. Billings, 70. Miles City, 64. Great Falls, 64. Wolf Point, 64. Kalispell's, 64. Eureka's, 66. Idaho Falls, Idaho is 75. Twin Falls is 75. Boise, 77. McCall is 61. Sandpoint is 71. Washington, Seattle's 71. Kennewick is 82. Spokane's 79. Oregon, Salem's 84. Eugene, 84. Medford, 88. Grand, 70. California, Eureka's 57. Redding's 98. Chico's 97. Sacramento's 82. San Francisco, 61. Merced, 95. Bakersfield, 100. Santa Maria, 61. Los Angeles, 73. Indio, 104. I already kind of mentioned, but I didn't mention Yuma, Arizona, 98. Las Vegas, 106. It's just too much for me. Carson City's 80. Winnemucca's 82. Wells, 77. Salt Lake City, 79. Cedar City 79, Moab's 95, Frankfort, Kentucky 77, Denton is 73, Dover 73, Richmond 73. I don't know if I'm maybe repeating myself a little bit. It's okay. Quebec is 70, Ottawa is 68. Let's see here. Armstrong, Ontario's 61. Thunder Bay is 62. Swift Current 62. Saskatoon is 62. Calgary, Alberta 68. Edmonton 61. Haddle Prairie 64. Prince George, British Columbia 68. Victoria 66. Anchorage, Alaska 61. Bethel is 62. Let's look at Japan real quick. Tokyo is 89. Osaka is 97. Kumamoto is 97. Manila in the Philippines is 82. Cebu City 86. Puerto Princesa is 88. Go ahead and look at England real quick. Leeds and Bradford is 61 degrees Fahrenheit. London 64. Paris is 71. Rome 77. Naples 80. Athens, Greece 79. Reykjavik is 50 degrees there. Gotta find a cold point in Greenland real quick. I don't drag on much longer. I know I've gone over time, but let's see, 15, 13. It's cold. Alright, let's go ahead and look at our favorite city ever, or town ever. Toowoomba, Australia. 68 degrees, and I'll end it there for the night. Thank you all for watching, and I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you tomorrow night at 10:30. Have a good night.